This short video demonstrates to you how a simple electric circuit works and how to draw all its components. In this system diagram, we use a torch as an example. Now, the torch consists of a few components such as a battery, a switch, a bulb, and wire that connects the three components together. The electric current flows in one direction from negative of the battery to the positive of the battery, and the red arrows just suggest that. Now, in the center of your screen or your slide, you'll find there's a short video that shows how the electricity flows from the negative of the battery to the positive. When I turn on the switch, you will notice that the bulb in the circle will light up. Like any other system diagram, it has an input, and in this case, the input is the battery. It goes through a process, which means electricity flows through the diagram, and the output would be the bulb will light up. That would be my output. Next slide. When you draw an electric circuit, you will make use of symbols. Now, here are the four components that we use in a torch. Remember, the battery, the switch, and the bulb and the wire. Now, the battery looks something like this, represents a long red line and a short red line. Now, the long line represents the positive of the battery, and the short line represents the negative of the battery. In this case, the long red line and the short red line represents one cell only. The switch, you will find the red line, that would be your switch, and in this case, the switch is turned off, and when I need to turn the switch on, it would look like something like that, where the circuit is complete. The bulb is represented with a circle and a cross in the middle that represents the bulb, and obviously a straight line would be the wires. Now, my next slide, you will find on the right hand side of the screen, that is a graphic or of an actual electric circuit where we find a cell over here and connected with a switch, and in this case the switch is turned on, and I can see the bulb is lighting up, and these three components are connected by means of a wire. The electric circuit flows from the negative of the battery through the switch, through the bulb, and back to the positive of the battery. Now I need to draw this particular circuit, a graphic representation of it, and this is how it looks. You'll find the battery will look like that. That is one cell over here. The switch will then be on this side, or it could be any side of the drawing, and then we have to draw our bulb with circle with a cross. And all I need to do is, these are the three components. I need to connect it by means of the wires. So I will first connect the negative of the battery to the switch as it is demonstrated there. And from your switch, we connect to the bulb. And from the bulb, we will then connect back to the positive of the battery. It's always important to note that the electricity flows from the negative through the circuit back to the positive, as the arrows have been indicated. So let's quickly recap. That's my cell. That's my switch. That's open, which means the light won't be turned on because it's a broken circuit. But if I close the circuit, the bulb will then light up. You will find the arrows represents the direction in which the electricity flows, and in this case from the negative of the battery to the positive of the battery. Thank you for watching.